Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Grassy Lake, a small farming community in southern Alberta located along Highway 3 between Taber and Bow Island. The town gets its name from a shallow grassy wetland that once sat nearby, which early settlers used as a reference point. People began settling here in the early 1900s, drawn by the chance to farm the land with the help of new irrigation systems. Over the years, Grassy Lake has grown into a close-knit place known for its strong agricultural roots and hard-working spirit. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Grassy Lake, Alberta.
Thank you very much.